morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I am good. How are you?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm also fine.
Very good, Shobit. Had your breakfast, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I am going to take my bath after class. Before class, sorry, ma'am.
Before, acha, you went. Okay, then say, ma'am, I went to take bath before my class. So what about your breakfast? When are you going to eat now?
No, ma'am. I am not eat in class.
You will eat after the classes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
So
I eat in first break.
Oh, you had. Okay, ma'am, I ate in the first break. Very good. Very
Good morning, ma'am.
nice. Good morning, beta.
ma'am. Ma'am, what we'll do today? Ma'am, today we have a worksheet.
See, yesterday we played a game. Okay. So today, ethically study today, isn't it?
उससे पहले before class
Beta, mute yourself. Mute yourself.
went.
Okay.
Ma'am, before this class we played KBC. Ma'am, in the previous class we played KBC. Ma'am, in Palak ma'am's class.
Oh, you played KBC. So what
Yes,
kind of
ma'am.
questions did you get based on your syllabus?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. From syllabus. Yes, ma'am. Based on chapter,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
based on my syllabus.
So enough of games, huh? Too much of games you are playing these days, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now what we'll do is, you want to do some drawing today?
Yes, ma'am. Drawing.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why no?
We
Why?
want.
Ma'am, because I have
No, ma'am.
already colored so many things.
Okay, we will do a worksheet today wherein I will include a few diagrams also. Okay, we will do a worksheet today.
Wow.
Yes?
Wow, ma'am. You do diagrams.
Yes. we
Ma'am,
will-
it is really good.
Yes,
And
it is really good. And you will enjoy
It
it.
is
Don't
full
worry.
of excitement.
Yes, you will enjoy it. So what you will do
today-
is...
Today there is competition. Ma'am, can we include some competition? Who will come first in?
No, no,
Who
no.
will come?
Better no. Let's not just include any competition, because I know what you're going to do. You're going to draw it in a hurry and then you'll just, be in a rush to finish your work without giving quality to your work. Everybody take out your social studies copies. Write down worksheet number 1 and chapter is motions of the earth.
Motion.
Of the
Ma'am, excuse
earth.
me.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
I want to show you something.
ma'am will
I want to show you something.
diagrams.
Show, beta, show.
Ma'am, this is, I have. Sorry, wait a minute.
Ma'am, tomorrow we will start the next chapter.
No, not this week. Yes, Yashmit, beta, show.
Ma'am, no, ma'am,
Ma'am, I am showing. Ma'am, this is a this I have made a student from the blocks. There is a tie
Wow.
and there is a face.
That is so creative. Very nice. Beautiful. Wonderful.
And ma'am, I am asking that, ma'am, that you in the UT's exam.
And I have made one more thing. I
In-
have made one more thing.
Bhavya, mute yourself now. Yashmit is talking. In the UTs,
diagrams will come.
they can come.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Chapter, ma'am. What is chapter in your worksheet?
See in the chat box, Atharv Gupta. Just have a look in the chat box what I have written.
No, ma'am. I am showing.
You can.
Yes, now say Bhavya what you were saying.
show you my train. Made
This
by
also you
blocks.
have made.
Yes, I made by my own.
Very nice, beta. Beautiful. Wonderful work.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Say. Go on.
ma'am, in laptop, ma'am, it is showing that you about UCAM, but I have not read. Now it has gone.
Okay. Worksheet number 1, motions of the earth.
Ma'am, I write down.
The first question is in the chat box. Show any two different seasons using pencils and colors. So what seasons can you show? You can show summer season by bright sun shining in the sky. Okay, people having ice cream or anything in the garden. You can show winter season with a little snowfall, everything white around, and fir trees, pine trees, the trees that are found in the winter region. Or you can show rainy season, that is very simple to show rainy season. Or you can also show spring and autumn. All the leaves. Yes.
Ma'am, please say again.
To draw.
Ma'am,
Yes.
please. Ma'am, please
Ma'am, do we have to draw?
Yes, you have to draw this. And one more
Ma'am,
question.
it is difficult to draw.
Why it is difficult to draw? Open page, open the chapter, motions of the earth. There only see, it is so easily drawn the winter season. You can easily show winter time. You can easily show summertime. The sun bright in the sky. Yes.
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
draw
do-
on plain page.
What? On the
Ma'am,
blank
we
page.
draw on plain page.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
I will show ornament.
Whatever now,
Ma'am, we draw
whatever
on
you
plain
want
page
to
or
show,
on lining page?
show it, draw it,
Which
and
page number?
beta motions of the earth. Open chapter motions of the earth.
Ma'am, we have to draw drawings of motion of the. Ma'am, I cannot hear. Please tell the page number.
Chapter number 4, motions of the earth. Okay. Then
Okay, ma'am.
you have to draw any two seasons. Yes. Every time I think, now today this class is going to understand what I say in one time. But every time this class has multiple questions. The same question multiple times. Now ask, what is your question?
ma'am, do we have to color it?
Just Karan, what is written in the question? Just read the question.
Ma'am, I'm
Show any
sending,
two
sending.
different season using pen. Okay, ma'am. Now
You come up with silly questions like this. This class has the habit of doing it.
Ma'am, I'm sending a message in chat box. Please read.
Ma'am, it is on page number 27.
My book is different, beta. I don't know about your book, on which page it is.
Ma'am, page number 27.
Okay, page number 27. What? Any other question? Shobit Gupta, there is no question from your side in the chat box, beta. There is nothing in the chat box. Okay, and question number 2 is also there. After doing this drawing work, you have to do question number 2 also. Explain how change in seasons is caused. Ma'am, we draw on plain beta, you always have to draw anything that is given to draw you. And you have a copy like this, one side plain, one side lines. You have to draw it on the plain side always. So this question should not come up next time.
Ma'am, where is
Any
the
other
second question?
Second question is also in the chat box. Once again, I'll send all the both the questions.
Ma'am, can we take help from the book?
Ma'am, in the second
Yes.
question, we have to draw that black and earth one.
No, bit. No drawing is to be done in the second question. Only first question you have to draw. 2 different seasons of your choice.
Ma'am, I am saying that.
And see, when I've given you this question, it is not important to draw from the book only. You can Google any picture. Whatever you like on Google, you can draw that picture. What you have to do, when, where,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes.
Ma'am, that drawing one question, we have to write it on white page or lining page.
Question you can write on the lining page and you can draw the picture on the plain side.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse me,
beta.
ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes.
Then what is the meaning of second question?
Explain how change in seasons is caused. How is change in seasons caused? It is caused due to rotation or revolution. Tell me.
One rotation.
Beta, you have not studied the chapter. It is caused due to revolution. Do you have the book, beta?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Yes. Now see,
Yes,
open
ma'am.
the topic revolution. There you will
Okay,
see change in seasons. It is very well explained how change in seasons is caused.
Ma'am, this diagram we have to make.
You don't have to make this diagram, Jasreena.
Ma'am, this one.
No, none of it. Only in question number 1, you have to show any 2 different seasons. Now, how, if you like to draw rainy season, how can you show rainy season? Sky full of clouds and it's raining. People are standing, there are ducks, there are anything in the pond, on the road, anything of your choice, beta. It is not in the book.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you said revolution or rotation?
Beta, I said, revolution. See,
Okay.
revolution of the earth around the sun, it causes change in seasons. The earth revolves around the sun, right? So when it revolves, the change in seasons is caused then.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have done question number 1 and 2.
Now I'm on question number 2. Ma'am, I don't know the answer to.
You don't know the answer of the second one.
Yes.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done answer 1 and answer 2 both.
Very nice. Very quick, Ashray. You have colored also your pictures.
Done. Ma'am, I have also done.
Very nice. Very good.
No,
Okay.
ma'am. I'll color it after
Ma'am,
my.
I got answer too. I got answer.
Okay. Okay. Now one person starts speaking. Everybody starts. Ashray, beta, read out answer number 2. Samar, please pay attention to what he reads. Read, beta. Ashray,
Ma'am, what?
you have done now. You're saying you have completed your worksheet.
Also,
I have done till answer number 2, ma'am.
You have not
I
done.
have also.
Beta, please let me listen to him. What, Ashray?
Ma'am, I have done till answer number 2.
You have done now. So can you read out answer number 2 now? Can you
Yes,
read?
ma'am.
Yes, read it out.
Yes,
That is
ma'am.
what I'm saying.
The revolution of the earth around the sun and its tilted axis of the earth causes the change in seasons.
Very nice. Very good. Summer, did you pay attention, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you pay attention to what he read? No? The revolution of the earth around the sun and its tilted axis causes the change in seasons. Summer, did you do the question answers of this chapter?
Question answer, friend.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Question.
what is after around the sun?
Beta, have you not done this chapter? Motions of the earth. Did you not do it?
No, yes, ma'am.
Okay, listen. Question number 2. We have done it already in the copy also. when we did these question answers in the copy, question number 2 is what causes the change in seasons? The revolution of the earth around the sun and the tilted axis of the earth causes the change in season. Samar, have you not done the question answers?
No, ma'am.
Why? When will you do better?
I am doing question answers.
Ma'am,
No,
I
of this chapter. When we completed this
Yeah.
chapter, then have you done the question answers or not?
And
Ma'am,
chapter
I
5 and 4.
Beta 4 chapter.
No, ma'am.
Now then whose fault is it? Hmm? Long back the chapter got completed and you have still not done, and then you're asking ma'am what is the answer. Yes, next student, say what do you want? Who is asking me something?
Ma'am, can I say Ashray?
What do you want to say?
Ma'am, we will do only 2 questions.
Yes, today we will do only 2 questions because no time will be left, beta. When you complete your diagram, you color it and you answer the second one. Yes, Arav Gupta,
Ma'am, I have completed my work.
you have drawn the pictures, you have colored them also. Send it on the class group. Let me see. Those who have completed their.
Ma'am, I am coloring.
Bhavya, can you listen to me without speaking, beta? I'm saying those who have done, send your work on the class group.
Ma'am, this is the answer the following in brief.
Yes, you just have to give the answer point to point. Nothing is mentioned, whether it is to be done in brief or it is to be done in detail. Jasrina Raval, very good beta. You have written daytime, but you were asked to draw a season. So just write summer season because it looks like the sun is shining bright. What were you asked to do? Show any 2 different seasons.
Okay,
Just
ma'am.
write summer season, daytime, summer season. Write it like that. And Bhavya, okay, rainy season, very good. And spring season, very nice, Bhavya. But now see, you are saying from so long, ma'am, I have done my work, and still you are sending incomplete work. Why haven't you colored your pictures? Huh? All you do is just want to speak in the class. Keep speaking in the class unnecessarily. You've drawn the pictures so well. Now, instead of speaking and wasting your time in saying all that, muting and unmuting yourself again and again, you could have colored your pictures.
outline with a sketch pen?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can we draw outline with a sketch pen?
Yes, of course you can draw outline.
Ma'am, I have sent the work. Just gonna sing Taneja.
Very good. I'll just check. Wait. Jaskaran Singh Taneja. Where is the class group gone? Let's see. Okay. Jaskaran's work. Show any two seasons, monsoon and spring. Jaskaran,
Yes, ma'am.
beta, spring season is fine, but how have you drawn monsoon? Huh? You don't
Ma'am,
have.
I have not much time.
You don't have
Ma'am, I don't have much time.
much time.
Yes, ma'am, because it is only 1 minute is left.
And your answer also looks incomplete, beta. Season is caused by tilted axis of the earth. No. Change in season. We are asking how is change in seasons caused? Change in seasons is caused by the tilted axis of the earth and its revolution around the sun. If it will not revolve, how will the change in season be caused? So revolution is a very important word in this answer.
Ma'am, I've sent it again. Just Reena Rawal, please see.
Yes, very nice. Good.